The Rockies haven't owned many teams lately, but they have had the Cardinals number, looking for their 5th straight win against the Redbirds, dating back to May of last year. If anyone can stop the skid, it's Albert Pujols. Bottom of the first, 2 men aboard, facing Ubaldo Jimenez, and Pujols gonna sky one to left center. Great catch by Carlos Gonzalez, but very rare. You don't see this in baseball too much. A 2 RBI sac fly as both runners come in on Albert's sac fly. 51 ribs on the year for Pujols. Then Jimenez, though, would settle, gets Brendan Ryan and Colby Rasmus in the bottom of the 3rd. Bottom of the 4th, gets Pujols to swing and miss. Top of the 6th, Rockies now at the plate. Troy Tulowitzki, he missed 4 games with a bruised left hand, but healthy enough to single in Ian Stewart. That ties the game at 2. The next batter, Paul Phillips, the backup to the backup catcher. He would single in Carlos Gonzalez, and it's 3-2. Colorado would take the lead. Joel Pinheiro, the starter, would get pulled. This is top of the 6th. Dexter Fowler trying to jump over Albert Pujols to avoid the tag, but Pujols there in time. Looking a little more Michael Johnson than baseball player. More from Jimenez, though, in the 6th, gets Nick Stavinoa to start the inning. Then Rick Ankiel striking out, looking to end the inning. Top of the 8th, Kyle McClellan on the hill. Paul Phillips will crank a solo home run. We said he's the 3rd catcher on this staff, called up to replace Chris Iannetta and Yorvi Torrealba. He went 4 for 5 on the day with that homer. Later in the inning, though, Clint Barmas would double to left field. A 3 for 4, 2 RBI day for Clint Barmas as Ubaldo Jimenez and Dexter Fowler come in. Everything rolling for the Rockies on Sunday. Ubaldo Jimenez pitches 8 innings, 9 strikeouts, and his record moves to 4-6. The Rockies have won 4 straight. The series finale between the two teams is Monday.